How to participate in a HuFi market-making campaign. First, open the HuFi Dashboard and check if there's an active campaign available. Active market-making campaigns are marked with a green dot. Before you can join, you'll need to connect your wallet. In this example, we'll be using MetaMask as our wallet provider. Once connected, log in by signing a simple message. This will authenticate your wallet and give you access to participate in the campaign. Now, before joining, make sure you've added the API keys for the exchange linked to this campaign. In our case, the campaign is hosted on MEXC. To confirm this, go to the Manage API Keys page on your HuFi dashboard and see if MEXC is listed. If it isn't, you'll need to create a new API key on the MEXC platform. So let's head over to MEXC. Open your API management settings and create a read-only API key. Make sure it has permissions to view account details, order details, and deposit or withdrawal details. Give the key a name, agree to the terms, and proceed to create it. Once you verify the creation through two-factor authentication, you'll receive your API key and secret key. Now go back to the HuFi dashboard, click Add New Key, enter your MEXC API key and secret key, and then click Connect API key. Wait a few moments while the system checks the permissions and confirms that everything is set up correctly. Once that's done, return to the campaign page and click Join Campaign. After joining, you'll see your campaign progress displayed on the dashboard. To start generating results, open MEXC Spot Trading and begin trading the pair listed for this campaign. As you trade, your performance and trading volume will automatically update on the HuFi dashboard. Here, you can track the total campaign volume, your own score, and the trading volume you've generated. If you haven't made any trades yet, your score and volume will stay at 0 until your trading activity is registered and reflected on the dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully joined and participated in a market-making campaign using the HuFi Dashboard.